We all understand that breakfast is the most crucial meal of the day. There are still more than 31 million Americans who skip it every day. Why? Most of them claim that they are too busy to eat something. Eating or drinking your breakfast can be very simple and can only take 5 minutes. How? Simple. With smoothies. Let's take a look at why a healthy smoothie can be your perfect breakfast choice. First, if you combine the ingredients properly, a smoothie can be a powerful nutritional bomb. Be sure to include enough protein and good fat, and it will provide you with enough energy for the next few hours. Excellent sources of protein and healthy fats to include in your recipe are coconut oil or milk, natural yogurt, cottage cheese, avocado, natural nut butter, natural proteins powder. Be sure to measure all ingredients. Many people forget about this and throw everything they can find in the blender. Remember, no matter if you drink a smoothie, calories are still calories, so make sure they come from the best source. Don't add sugar, pop drinks, and processed foods to your mix. You'll destroy your smoothie and fill your body with extra calories you don't require. If you don't feel full after your smoothie, or just worry about you will be starving really fast, try this little trick. Add some rolled oats in your blender. The result will be a thicker smoothie. Second, a morning smoothie is a great way to add fluid to your body. Do you often wake up very tired and not rested at all? Sometimes the reason for this is because your body is dehydrated. Over the night, your body can lose for as much as 1 liter of sweat, and you have to replace it somehow. So make sure you add quality fluid to your smoothie. You can use cold water, freshly squeezed fruit juices, coconut, almond or soy milk, non-fat Greek yogurt or kefir. Make sure you do not add store-bought juices, as they are usually filled with extra sugar and additives you do not need. Moreover, your breakfast smoothie can be a great way to add greens to your daily diet. Adding greens, such as spinach, kale, parsley or cucumbers, will add nutritional value to your smoothie and make sure you get your daily dose of minerals and vitamins. Just one warning, if you are new to the smoothie world, make sure you gradually add greens to the smoothie. Kale, for example, can be bitter, and adding it too much too quickly will ruin your flavor. So make sure you take one step at a time. If you still believe you do not have enough time to make your morning smoothie, give it a try. You will see that it is super easy. All you need is a good blender, the right and quality ingredients, and a few minutes of your morning time.